Here we have a fairly typical kitchen with outdated cabinets and drawers. We're going to utilize Molyneaux's new Custom Cabinet Restyling program to give these cabinets and drawers a fresh, modern look by painting the cabinet boxes and providing all new doors, drawers, trim, and hardware. This outdated kitchen also has fake doors and drawer panels that aren't functional. Our first step is removing the existing doors, drawers, and hardware. With all that removed and the interior of the cabinet boxes exposed, it's time for the next step. Piece by piece, we remove the crown molding to replace it with a new, modernized crown molding. We also remove any smaller trim pieces, such as this corner piece, as well as those fake door panels we saw earlier. There will likely be aspects unique to each specific job. In this case, our customer had a hole above the microwave that she wanted to convert to cabinets. To do so, we measured the box and utilized the new doors to precisely turn this hole into a functional two-door cabinet. Since the customer was later having a new floor installed as well, we needed to undercut the cabinets above the refrigerator, so the fridge would still slide all the way back under the cabinets even after it was raised a little bit by the new floor. The next step is to gently sand the cabinet boxes. We do this regardless of if we're painting the boxes or applying the laminate. We take every precaution to ensure minimal dust while sanding, including hanging plastic and covering all appliances. Sanding is done using a combination of tools and manually by hand. We sand the boxes just enough to scuff the surface, which allows for a better bond for the laminate's adhesive or for the primer and paint. In this case, our customer wanted to convert from a wood look to a flat look. Since these old cabinets had a wood grain, we used a special filler material to fill the grain so the wood grain would not show through the paint or be able to be felt. Once the filler material is dry, the surface is now smooth and ready for the next step. Next, we apply multiple coats of the highest quality primer. Here are some of the boxes with one coat of primer. And here are the boxes with two coats of primer. Now it's time to paint. The paint color is custom created to match the customer's new doors and drawers. During this process, we apply multiple coats of high-quality paint that is specifically engineered for cabinets. The new cabinet doors are delivered to acclimate ahead of installation. These state-of-the-art laminated Amish-crafted doors require only 2 days of acclimation, as opposed to other solid wood doors that can take up to a month to acclimate and prolong the disruption of the kitchen. As you can see, the doors come with holes prefabricated for easy installation. Installation of the new doors and drawers is a breeze. We simply attach the supplied soft closing hardware and mount the boxes. We'll install the knobs and pulls once we have all of the doors and drawers in place. Take note of those new cabinets we created over the microwave. As we mentioned earlier, the painted cabinet boxes match perfectly with the new doors. We use precise measurements with the pulls and knobs to prepare for hardware placement. With custom cabinet restyling, we provide new, sleek crown molding to match the updated, modern style of the new cabinets. One finishing technique is to caulk any visible seams, such as this one between the cabinets and the new crown molding. This was a fake drawer before, and we converted it to a new tip-out tray to store sink-related items. All of our new drawers and doors include modern, elegant, soft closing hardware. And there you have it, a complete custom cabinet restyling. New doors, new drawers, a couple of newly built cabinets, new crown molding, and soft closing hardware, all with an industry-leading 15-year warranty. We went from dreary and dark to beautiful and bright. From old and outdated to new and updated with custom cabinet restyling.